Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. We're going for a walk now. Look at the guava. Yum, yum, yum. Look,
Look at that.
that's very sweet. You try, Mitch?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Which one?
Whatever.
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, but because it's ripe.
Mm.
Okay, I'm trying.
Oh, you took the one that I wanted.
You eat the
Everything. Everything. Even that. There's your finger line, Mitch.
Good.
That you bought for us.
This is a black sapori. This is yummy too. Black sapori. Yes, Lavi.
Last one.
For me. For me.
They're very sweet.
They are.
Wow, look at all these chocolate.
That chocolate pudding.
Nestles.
Chocolate pudding.
They call it chocolate pudding.
Cadbury tree. You're going to call it the Cadbury tree. No, take the conky of mine.
Yeah.
We're going for a walk.
Push this conky of mine out the door.
And it's gonna be a long walk.
Yeah, forget that.
Forget that.
Forget that.
Okay, then.
Forget about it.
We'll try. Forget about it.
Forget about it. Okay, you go first. Look at this, another guava here on the road. Look, and lots of fruits. Look.
Look how much falling down.
Just watch for snake.
Bob said he had 7.
So you're gonna have 7 as well.
Not. Else in this one, mate.
Oopsie.
Poopsie doopsie.
Yeah, lots of guava.
The guava's not supposed to be sweet, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had in Malini.
Yeah, is it sweet? Yeah. Can I take them home?
Yeah.
This-
Neighbors for them.
Oh, the biggest ones are in Victoria.
Are they?
Yeah.
Good.
There's lots of
Oh,
koalas
wait,
here.
Two of them
They
were
grow like this?
crossing. Yeah, they were like crossing the road. And I thought, what are these things? You know. Next time I
Koala.
put
There's
two in
koala
this
here, but now
Koala.
we can't see it.
This one.
Wait,
Somewhere.
look up.
Here.
What?
Look where you live. You live in
What?
a bush. Why would you want to live here? It's scary here.
Oi.
I'm scared.
Yoy.
See that? What's this? 11119.
Yeah, what you do is the mistake he made was he was growing it right next to the road, where everybody could have access. Have a house on one side,
Walking.
so that they have to go a long way to get to it. Then you can.
Neighbor is Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Look at it.
Walking, walking, walking. Good exercise. Enjoying God's nature.
Are we going to go say hello to it?
Look at these two. They're curious. They're going to see the horse. Horse is hiding there. their house.
That ground.
No, you don't do it. You don't do it right. You do it.
Beautiful country. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.